Good morning, children. This is me, Manjunath T.M., Assistant Master, Sri Anaberu Kenchappa High School, Bada. I welcome you all for online class or YouTube classes. Dear children, today I am going to continue the remaining part of the 10th English, that lesson called There is a Girl by the Tracks. As I told in my last class, this was the real incident which was happened in Bombay. That incident have been clearly explained or detailedly picturized to a reader by the Devan Khanna. In my previous class, we have learnt about how Roma Talreja was thrown down from the train and what happened after she was fell or she was by the track. During that moment, that incident have been seen by the person called Baleshwar Mishra, who was 20-year person who pulled the train which was coming opposite direction of the Roma's train, and he do not wait for until the train stopped. He fell down, he jumped from the train. At the moment, he gets some bruises of his ankles and his slippers have been turned out. So he moved towards the Roma Talreja. Let's continue from yes. Baleshwar was so far away from the Roma, he couldn't see her. I hope I am not too late, he thought, gasping for a breath. Dear children, we have learned that the Baleshwar was voluntarily ready to help for that woman, the girl, she was on the track. So he fell down from a train and he saw she couldn't see her. He couldn't see her where that Roma Talreja was lying on the track, but he hoped that he was not too late. He is thinking in that in his mind. He is gasping in his breath. After running for several minutes, he returned back in several minutes. He started running where the Roma Talreja was. He found her in a spiraled by the side of the track. So she was spiraled. Spiraled means lie in a stretched mood. Spiraled means, look at the board. The word SWRA. W is spiraled means she lied stretched means she fell in a small in the size, means that she fell down. No, she was unconscious and she finally found in this way. That is Benji TK. This was asked by the Baleshwar Mishra. So it is in Hindi. The what actually the English meaning, sister, are you okay, sister? That Baleshwar Mishra asked this question to Roma Talreja, but there was no response and no help in the sight. They were alone somewhere. But between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in a Thane district which borders Mumbai, So, anyhow, with a lot of effort, Baleshwar Mishra, at last, he came to the Roma Talreja. She was lying on the side of the track. So he asked, "Sister, are you okay? Are you okay?" But she had no response. She was in a fainted. She was unconscious. She getting some bruises and having injuries she had. During that time, so they were only alone somewhere. It is where they were between the two stations. So near where they were fell down, where they were, there will be no near any cities or any stations or any hospital at all. So it is just the gap. If you look at this board, here is a one station and here is another station. So in between, in the middle part, these were there. So it is far away from the 5 kilometers to other distance of the two stations. They were in between of this two stations. So 5 kilometers apart from the Thane district. They are just far away from the Mumbai city, which was in border of the Mumbai. Do you understand? So next part of one. Baleshwar could see the blood flowing out of his gash behind the young woman's head. Yes, she got an head injury. That Baleshwar have observed the blood was moving out from the a deep cut of the head. So head was getting an injury, and that a deep cut have been taken place in her head, and there will be a maximum quantity of the blood was flowing out from the head of Roma Talreja. Saying in a silence prayer, he saying in a silence prayer, "Oh God, save the sister." There is a lot of blood was flowing out from her head. He lifted for a 5'2", 50 kilo Roma gingerly and made the way across the track. So he lifted in a 5'2". So he lifted her in his arm, and a 50 kilo that Roma that Talreja was, and made his way across the track. So he lifted her in her arm and he carried her across the tracks. Look out for a train and searching for a way out. So he was you just look at here. She was tied down. It looks like a track. So she was lying here. So he wanted to cross this railway track and go across the railway tracks. He waited and see here and other left and right, and he confirmed there will be no train. So he crossed the train. He crossed through some shrubbery. Shrubbery means it is a scrub. Scrub means it is a type of a small plants. In Kannada it is called pode, like this. So he crossed through some shrubbery. It is as I told, a small kind of the plant, and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. So when he didn't know where that road is, so Baleshwar Mishra is also a new person to that area. He do not know where that road is, where this railway track connect the main road. He did not know. So simply in that that type of shrubberies or something, so he follows he couldn't find where actually that road is. So he followed the direction of the sounds where that road has to be found. So as the vehicles or people who are talking or vehicle sounds have to be found in, so he follows direction of that sound. Finally, my sister is injured, and he implored the motorist whoever gone by. Finally, he reached that road, and there are many motorcyclists and the person who are moving in that road, and he requested those motorists to say, my sister, she is in injury, please help me to take her to the hospital. He requested the motorists or the drivers of the vehicle, but nobody has to stop it, and no one is ready to help her to shift into an hospital. You look at what kind of the people were there. He lifted her in her arm, and he requested with an so kind mood. No one is ready to stop their vehicle, and to help her to shift in hospital. The morning, this was happened December 10, 2010. This was a real incident, as I told, 10th December 2010. So that is December 10th of 2010. It is on Friday. Roma Talreja arrived at the call center in a bright and early. This was a bad event has been taken place on this date only. She was in a fate on the day. An unlucky girl, she was on the track because there is a rush of the train. She was pulled out. This was happened on December 10, 2010. It was on Friday. Roma Talreja arrived her duty. That was, as I told in the early of my class, she was a call center girl. She reached her office in a bright and early. She was a BCom graduate. BCom means Bachelor of Commerce. She was a BCom graduate from Pune. She had been working for 2 years, working there for 2 years. She was not a new girl of that Pune. She was not a new girl for that Bombay. She was worked there from 2 years back. She was 2 years experienced call center girl. What is the meaning of call center? You just look at, you have any item, whatever you can purchase. For example, if you purchase a Lux soap, there will be a customer care number is given. No, it is a free call. So whatever that customer feedback is there, so that company will provide one office, and it is a call receiving person. That call receiving person were called a call center girl. So she can answer the customers any feedbacks or any questions, doubts. So that was the duty of this Roma's duty. She was loving her job, talking and connecting to the customers, as I told, and making new friends there. In her office, her duty is to talking and connecting to the customers. She can talking with the customers, and she made many new friends there. After working, she went to cafeteria, and where she had her friends are joked, laughed, and made a plan for a weekend. So, how she was working there, after her duty, she went to cafeteria. Cafeteria is a hotel, we can call it inn, inn, or we can call it hotel, or we can call it cafeteria. Just like this. So this way, so she went there after her duty, and she had a joke with their friends, and she made a plans for that weekend. Then heading some, she after duty in a weekend, usually this type of MNCs. MNC means multinational companies. They have 5 days working in a week. Saturday might be a holiday for them, so to take a rest. So after the weekend, after that 5 days, there will be a weekend for Saturday. Saturday they had a plan to spend their time with their friends. They're planning. Heading some alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward having a supper with her parents and her brother. Yes, you have to understand here. Here is some word, supper. Supper is called a dinner, we can call it. So, in the morning we are having breakfast, supper and lunch. So, it is morning, it is afternoon, and this is called night. So, supper means having a meal at the night time is called dinner. Okay, here, dear children, Roma has planned to spend her weekend with her parents and brother, have a long phone chat with the fiancé Vijay. And she had one fiancé, his name called Vijay. We can call this, Vijay. So we can call Vijay is a fiancé called his best friend or boyfriend, or he had a love with that person, fiancé, like this. Those are the words we are using. So she spent a long phone chat with this Vijay. Vijay is her best fiancé, we can say that. She had a plan on the day, that was what happened to her, that was December 10. Baleshwar Mishra has very difficult story. This is the story of Roma Talvaja. Whatever I have explained in this para number 8, it is complete detailed about Roma Talvaja. Now let's see Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra, he was a different person. His story is different. He was a lanky youngster. He was from Mirzapur, UP. This Baleshwar Mishra is coming from UP. UP means Uttar Pradesh. He is an unemployed, an high school dropout. He is unemployed, high school dropout. But Roma Talvaja, she was a BCom graduate. He was high school dropout who had recently come to Mumbai for searching a job. He living with his two elder brothers. His job hunt had proved fruitless. He is searching for his job, but nowhere have been his job has to be found. So he is just searching. So it means that his effort have been fruitless. Now he was trending water and has resigned himself for the fast and running out of the options. He had spent his day with a friend and grabbed lunch and watched a movie. So every day his duty is to wake up in the morning and search his job and grabbing a lunch and searching a job and watching a movie. This way he is spending his time. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered his future. Pondered means it is a think of future. Then fiancé means as I think you have cleared. It is a man that woman who engaged to like this. But all he could think was saving a stranger's life. So he is serving his stranger in life like this. After this, I think you might have been cleared about. So this is the story. I have to precise in this. Roma Talvaja is a well-settled woman. She was a BCom graduate. She was job holder. She get her job. She was working at call center since 2 years. All these things can show that she was well settled. She had a plan to how to spend her weekend time. She planned to spend her time on that evening of that weekend along with the parents and a brother to have a supper. And she had a long time off with a long call chat with Vijay. Vijay is a fiancé. Fiancé means, as I told, that she is an, what that word, that man who a woman, she is engaged with like that. So this is the information about Roma Talreja and Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra is an UP person who came to Mumbai for searching job, but he is not an well educated. Keep this point in your mind. Why I am highlighting this? He is not an well educated. He is just an high school dropout boy. An high school dropout boy who dared to help that woman or a girl or when she was lying on the track. He hadn't think about his future. He had no job at all. He is hunting a job. He is searching job. He spent his time for searching job and having some food here and there along with the friends. So Baleshwar bordered the train. He is want to settle. He is thinking for his future. So, but all he could now think that he couldn't think about anything about his personal. He didn't care for. He do not bother about his life. He couldn't bother about his future also. So how dare he to jump from the running train, moving train, and when he pulled the chain, no, train will not completely stopped. Before the train stopped, he jumped from the train. It was moving train. And one thing you have to remember, this Roma Talreja was not a known person to the Baleshwar Mishra. She was a strange girl. He did not know who she was. She was a new one. There is one line which was mentioned in the first. Nobody dared, but a person who did, that youngster did. Nobody was ready to. Many of the person like Baleshwar Mishra were there in an opposite train of Roma Talreja. Many of them were there, and he cried out, "Oh, someone! She was in trouble. She was fell down." But nobody was ready to take a risk. But he pulled the chain and he jumped from the train and he started running towards where that girl was lying on the side of the track. So why I am telling all these things? UP person is a different person. There is no connection. There is no known to this Roma Talreja. So she was a strange girl to that Baleshwar Mishra. So how he was dared, he never bothered about. He was not settled at all. So this is the thing I am expressing here. Dear children, I am going to stop here for today, and I will continue the same thing in the next part of this next class. Dear children, what I am telling these things, these are the 2 points we have highlighted in this class. That is the personal detail of Roma Talreja and Baleshwar Mishra. So anyhow, after this I am going to continue, and remaining part of next, I think we have completed para number 8 and 9. So in my next class I am going to continue 10th and remaining part of the lesson. So dear children, you have to read once again this lesson, and thank you for one and all to watch this lesson or YouTube channel. I will meet you on my next class. Thank you one and all.